Hey you kids, welcome back to A Very Windows Christmas, Day 9. Ooh, and for Day 9, we are going to be installing and exploring Windows 7 build 6608. Yeah, I literally just burned this disk today. Cool, right? I was originally planning on reviewing 6469, but you know, I didn't want to have to like wait for the thing to finish, wait for the ISO to finish downloading, and I had to download from the archive, from the Internet Archive. And if you know the Internet Archive, you know their download speeds are brutal, brother. Yeah, so we're doing 6608 instead. Okay, good. Just get over it. Well, yeah. So let's open BIOS, you know, because we need to set the date back. Okay, here we are. Here's the BIOS, and you know what? While we're at it, I'm gonna pop the disk in here. Okay, so the system date needs to be set back to where's the minus and plus button? Okay, right there. Needs to be set back to, there you go. Assuming this is going in, assuming this is, goes like month MDY. Okay, we're going to exit save and changes. Yes, and we're gonna pop it to the boot menu here. CD, DVD, let it roll. Okay, so we're in setup here. I actually realized I just set the date back to October 2nd, 2007. That was the date. That was the date Windows build 6469 was compiled. This build 6608 was actually compiled sometime around May 2008. I think it was May 13th. Yeah. Fun fact: May 13th is the day I created my channel. It wasn't in 2008. It was in 2022. I wasn't even born in 2008. But yeah. So as you can see, it says Windows 7 right here, but it's basically this. This will go where the Windows Vista logo would be. Still now. Also, they never updated the copyright from copyright 2007 to copyright 2008. Okay, so we have a bunch of additions here. We're gonna do Ultimate here. Microsoft pre-release software. Custom, and of course we gotta run the good old disk part here. And hey, we don't need Windows PE. It's built right in here. There we go. Good. Exit. Exit. Okay. Refresh. Okay, there we go. Just one big partition. 298.1 gigabytes. And we're off! Woo! Okie dokie. Restart now. Ho ho. we are at the OBE, I think. So, has the type your product key. Yeah, you can just skip it. Cool, okay. TWF. As for the picture, doggo. Of course, we're gonna call this Tosh, because that's the name I always choose for this computer. And yeah, we'll go with we'll go with that, because this is the best background. It's actually yeah. All right, thank you. Start. All right, now will it do that like dumbass like the Windows Experience Index thing? No, I don't think so. Let's look at the Vista animation. Except it says Windows 7 down there now. Okay. Cool. So, yeah, we don't have any graphics drivers. I was not expecting there to be any graphics drivers, of course, so this does make a little sense. Yeah. Let's look at the sidebar, which, personally, I don't know about you, but Oh, I didn't realize in this version. I didn't realize in this beta you could just move the gadgets anywhere you want. Yeah, it's cool. But you gotta like close each one individually. Okay, so yeah, so this is Windows 7 build 6608, and for some reason we're using the old mouse cursor as compared to the Arrow mouse cursor, which is a little weird, but it's fine. Oh, we got some different icons for music, pictures, and documents, which is very interesting. Okay, I get it. Are they still pulling the antivirus shtick, like, even like in 2008? Like, come on, man. What version of Internet Explorer do we have here? Help. About. Okay, we still have 7, but we have 7.1, and the build number is 6608, just like this version, just like this Windows version. Oh my god. Yeah. We got any special applications? We could tell Microsoft about our experience. We gotta do a live ID, which I don't have. Windows contacts, okay. PowerShell v2. Interesting. Activity everywhere. What is this? What is this? Okay. Okay, well, whatever. Windows Media Center. Express setup. Alright, so I'm pretty sure this is the whole version from Vista. So yeah, you'll notice like some things have changed, but not like all of them. Like most of this is still Vista, so yeah. You can actually go to Control Panel. This is a little different. And just screen resolution. Yeah. So despite this being like mostly like Vista, I do know how to make things a little more 7-like. One moment. This right here, everyone, is a USB flash drive with a special little something on it. If I can find the USB ports. Gonna plug it in. What's on this USB flash drive? Well, this is a registry entry for enabling the superbar. Yeah, the big chubby taskbar in the final version of Windows 7. Well, yeah, we can. We can enable it here. So if we double click on this, yes, Okay. And just look at that. So all I have to do now is log off. And log back in. Oh, look at that. We now have our big chubby taskbar. Big chubby taskbar. The start button still looks kind of out of place, and so is the Internet Explorer icon, the show desktop icon, and the switch between Windows icon. But yeah, we can pin stuff to it like Internet Explorer. Okay, it's right here, and we can pin it. There you go. So now we just double click it once, and there you go. So yeah, I've always found the super bar to be like really useful here. Yeah, I like pinning stuff to it. And of course, got the recycle bin. So yeah, I feel like that is a comprehensive look at Windows 7 build 6608 from May 2008. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching day 9 of A Very Windows Christmas. See you on day 10, where we will be installing and exploring Windows Neptune build 5111. Bye.